We provide the drone equipment that can be personally developed for students to understand basic computer hardware, software, and AI technology. Start the drone. Control your drone with wireless handle and fly within the feasible areas. Connect the drone to the PC to get the altitude information in real time. The curves can reflect the change of sensor information, which can be used for data analysis. Design your drone with hardware knowledge. Control your drone with beautiful code. Welcome to the CS department.